Hi everybody, today we are going to make spicy ladies finger fry. The ingredients are chopped ladies finger 25 to 30 numbers, chopped onion 2 numbers, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, some curry leaves, salt and oil 1 tablespoon. Now I am going to grind chopped onion, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt into a fine paste. The paste is ready. Heat oil in a pan and add curry leaves, and ladies finger. Saute this for 3 minutes. 3 minutes over. Now add the paste. Mix well. Cover it and cook for 2 minutes. Two minutes over. Now keep the flame in sim mode and fry it. I have fried this for 10 minutes. It's ready now. Put off the flame and serve. Spicy ladies finger fry is ready. You can have this as side dish for rice. Try this and give us a feedback.